Hello everyone. Today we will give a demo on how to share documents in the technical file with the supplier. It's a customized service. If there is a need for this service, please get in touch with us for it to be customized for you. Types of shared documents can be set by document name, document file format, or by other conditions. Let's say you would like to share the DoC with the supplier and ask the supplier to sign, stamp, and upload it. Now we can go to the Requirements tab. Click on DoC. Select the corresponding brand name. Click on Next. Select Articles. Next. And click on Next again. We then click on Create. Add to Technical File. Let's go back to the Documents tab. And we notice that this DoC is followed by an icon. This icon means the document is allowed to be shared with the supplier. Then let's take a look at what the supplier sees. In the supplier's interface, they can click on Requests, go to their Document Requests in the tab of Shared Documents. They can see the documents that are shared with them. Click on it to download to the supplier's local disk. Now the supplier has downloaded the DoC. They can open it. Click on Type Text. Then they can go ahead to fill in the required fields. After that, sign, save, and upload to Product IP. Thank you.